Today we're going to be ripping open the squishy because there's a little hole in it just here. Like if I squeeze it, you can see the slime like oozing out there, so let's open it up. Whoa. That actually feels like a really nice patty. By the way, I'm just like, if you guys don't have a tripod, because at the moment I'm doing this because ours broke, I'm just like got like little empty tissue boxes, and I've just like put the device that I'm using to film this video and just put it on top, so that's why this is like here. Oh my god, this is so good. This is like an amazing patty. I mean, the squishy wasn't that good anyway because it was like really old, and like it was just like when you squished it, it just like all went down and it was disgusting, and then like the patty was ripping inside, so I guess this is why. So maybe this could be like a cool hack if you leave your squishies out, and then when you take the slime out, then it'll be like a really cool patty. Because I mean, this is actually stretching. I didn't think this would. ASMR. Bye guys, hope you enjoyed the video.